Hi, sir. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing fine as well. Thank you for asking. So, first of all, I want to thank you for taking up this time and joining the session with us. Before I begin with my set of questions, could you please start with a brief introduction of yours and which schools and colleges and courses you have got the admit from?
Okay, so hello, my name is Sara, and I applied to almost around 5, 6 universities, and I'm doing my bachelor's. Right now, I'm in my final semester of BSc Clinical Psychology, and
Okay.
for my master's, I applied into different courses, clinical psychology and also neuroscience, and till now I have gotten into two universities, University of Bath and University of Glasgow.
Okay, very well. So these are some great universities. Which course you have got the admit from?
For University of Glasgow, I got into MSc Brain Sciences, which is
Okay.
news, and for University of Bath, I got into Applied Clinical Psychology.
Right, right. So these are some unique courses, and I think definitely would be joining one, and this would provide you a huge boost in your career. So, moving forward, can you please tell about your overall experience with MIM essays? How was it?
Um, okay, so my experience with MiM-Essay was extremely positive and smooth. The team is very professional, very responsive. I was cleared all the doubts beforehand, and the team provided me structured guidance throughout the application process. And they understood my profile very well, and it helped me highlight my strengths effectively throughout the whole process.
Right, right. Great to hear those feedbacks and good to help you out. So, moving forward, can you please tell me how did our team add value to your application process?
Okay, so before the application process started, I was actually very anxious. I didn't know how to start and from where to begin. So,
Right,
your team MIM-Essay added value by helping me to refine my essays, and it guided me throughout. And also, your feedback improved my clarity and coherence, and it impacted my statements. You all also guided me in structuring my experience in a way that aligned
right,
with university's expectations individually, and
right.
I feel it made my application very strong and more compelling.
Glad to hear all those feedbacks again. We definitely have a SOP editing session, we have a content team, we have an extensive CRM to help you shortlist all the other things which are required. So, if I have to put you on the spot and ask you about the best service from our side, which service would you want to rate to be the best from our side?
Okay, as you already just mentioned, one of my favorite thing about the process was the personalized approach. I was told beforehand to give all my information in the portal, and then all the essays, SOPs for each universities was very personalized
Right,
accordingly to the requirement. So that is the one thing that really impressed me. And also later on, for each SOP, my advice was taken if I like it or not. So
right.
that was one thing that I liked the most.
Right, we definitely provide with multiple edits to your SOPs and your essays to make it as personalized as it could be. So,
Yes.
coming on to the next question, what suggestions would you want to give to a person who is just starting with his application process? Like, what steps should he follow?
Uh, okay. So if you are someone like me who didn't know how to start from, how to begin from, and if you really want to submit a very strong application without any hassle, then you should definitely go for MIM-Essay. And one thing which I also like about your service is that before we had to join in, we were given one call session with one
Right,
of you, and then they explained each and everything about the whole application process.
right.
So definitely you can book that session and do everything accordingly. That will definitely help you submit a strong application.
Most of the students coming to us usually go for the MIM course or the MBA courses, right? So, but your course was something different. You are selected for the MS Brain Science course, right? So, was our team able to help you with these unique courses and doing research for these unique courses?
Yes, the team definitely helped me. As I said in the previous question, as I answered, I was given a personalized call before the whole process started. So I asked my questions, and I remember asking them about the scope also of this course, and if
Right.
I would be able to make a career out of it. And all my questions and all my doubts were answered accordingly. So your service definitely did help me to choose this course.
Right. Grateful to hear that. So you would be recommending MIM-Essays to me?
I have already recommended my friends
Okay.
MiM-Essay, and I will recommend it further also.
Okay. Okay. So thank you for those lovely advices and feedbacks. In the end, I would want to wish you all the best for your future, and I would want to congratulate again on getting yourself these admits. Which college are you looking forward to joining?
I'm actually waiting for University of Manchester to reply back. They
Okay.
haven't.
Okay. No worries. Okay. So in the end, thank you again, and have a nice day.
Thank
All
you
the
so
best for you.
much.
Thank you.